Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how to get some cute cartoon nails. So first, I'm going to apply a base coat, which will help the polish adhere better and protect from staining. Next, I'll be using a hot pink for the base color. Now using a black and medium length brush, I'm going to line around the entire nail. I like to outline first, then fill in closer to the skin after. I don't know if anyone remembers cartoon nails trending in 2013, but they were a big hit then. So when I saw they were trending again recently, it reminded me that I actually never made a tutorial for these, so here we are. The top area was a little thicker than I liked, so I went in with the hot pink to reduce it and also round the edges a bit more. Next, I'm using a deeper pink and applying it to the side of my nail, just following my natural nail shape. This gives a really cool shadow effect. Now with white polish, I'm going to draw a highlight. I'm starting at the top and curving it around the side of the nail. Then I'll be thickening it a little. Add a small dot at the end of the highlight. I'm also taking the hot pink again to round out the top part of the line a little more. And of course, finish up your other nails. You could even do like a rainbow skittle. I think that would look pretty cool. The great thing with this design is that pretty much any color works. I'd love to try it with a purple maybe, but personally I think the hot pink will still be my favorite. Now I'm applying one layer of a glossy top coat, which will smooth out the nail nicely. This helps prep it for the matte top coat, which I'll be applying once the glossy layer is totally dry. Doing this will give you an extra smooth matte finish. Alright, so that's it for these fun cartoon nails. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later!